Taking notes during meetings, classes, or interviews is painful. You miss details, you lose focus, and sometimes you can't even read your own handwriting later. That's why I'm here to provide a review of Otter.ai, an AI tool that promises to capture every word for you. But before we move forward, we have got a special giveaway in this video. Stay tuned till the end because we will explain step by step how you can join and win a shoutout from this channel. In this video, I will break down what makes Outer so useful and why it might become one of your favorite tools this year. Outer is like having a digital assistant sitting next to you, writing everything down in a real time. It doesn't just record audio, it transcribes live conversation into text, it organizes them, and then give you summaries, highlights, and even action items. Send you a follow-up email after a meeting with key points. Support multiple languages like English, Spanish, and French. It can be used with different softwares like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or just hit record inside the Outer app on your phone. You can access it anywhere with web app, mobile app, or Chrome extension, or directly inside your Zoom, Team, or Google Meet. Here are the features it provides, like transcription. As soon as someone talks, their words appear as text. You don't have to wait until the end. Every transcript is saved with the original recording, so if you want to double check what you have said, you can just listen back. It can provide smart summaries. No one has time to read a 60-minute meeting transcription. Otter gives you the key points in seconds. It provides team collaboration. Others can join in, highlight, or comment live during the meeting. It's super useful for remote teams. It provides searchable notes. Type one keyword and you instantly find the exact moment. It provides custom vocabulary. Teach Outer your industry terms or names, and it learns them for future transcript. It helps you in follow-up emails. Like Outer can draft one automatically, saving you extra time. Honestly, it feels like having a second brain that remembers everything. They introduce special AI agents for different roles. Like for sale agents, it automates follow-up, capture meeting notes, and integrates with your CRM. It helps sales team drive efficiency without extra admin work. Its education agent connect it to your Google or Microsoft Calendar, and it automatically captures lecture notes, perfect for students who want zero effort note taking. Its CDR agent is for businesses. It handles everything from live demos to booking meetings right from your website. Its recruiting agent helps during interviews. It gives real-time answers, extract candidates' insights, write follow-ups, and sync notes directly into recruiting platforms like Greenhouse by Zapier. Its media agent is for creators, journalists, and writers. It organizes raw thoughts into outlines, extract key quotes, highlight insights, and even help you get started with a fast draft. Now let's talk about its cost. Its free plan includes 300 minutes each month, 30 minutes max per session. Good for occasional use like a student recording lectures. Pro plan include 1200 plus minutes, 90-minute meeting, advanced export option like PDF or SRT. Its business plan adds admin features, analytics, and better team tools. Before we discuss its limitation, now let's talk about the giveaway rules. To join, just follow 3 simple steps. Be a subscriber of this channel, like the video, leave a comment below, and your comment should be about the video. That's all you need to do. The winner will get a special shout out in our next video, and we will also post the winner's name in the community tab, so don't miss the chance. This software has some limitations, like if your audio is really noisy, accuracy drops, and sometimes it mixes up who's speaking. But compared to taking notes yourself or hiring a human transcriber, it's incredibly fast and convenient. If you have tried it, drop your experience in the comment. I will love to hear how you are using it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.